Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ikhanda njengamanje ithatha abantu bayo bayahamba nakusasa bayahamba okuyinto enhle cela siyishayele ihlombe ikhanda bafowethu ayeye ikhanda ayeye ikhanda wonke amazwe abukele kuyikhanda futhi bahamba bengabe besabuya abangabe besabuya ehlombe. We will never miss them. Can they go? We will never miss you. You have killed our country, you have destroyed our country, we will never miss you. We will reparate our country on our own, and we will make sure that we invest in good practices. So we can never tolerate the nonsense of illegal immigrants in our country. Never, and never again shall this country remain with the illegal immigrants to loot our country and to destroy our country on behalf of abantu ababenefitayo abala eNingizimu Afrika. Doesn't matter how much you benefit. Ushilo mpothi lapho ukuthi ngempela udla ubuthi. Nganza kwethu siyabonga kakhulu ngiyathanda nganza kwethu uNkulunkulu angigcine ngiyabonga kakhulu nengalo yomthetho asiqhubekeni sisebenzisane kodwa kukho singakwazi. Entokaze ngilanda nezwe namakwelekwele out from Africa bombo. From it's nothing personal. Why other tribes are so sensitive?
Ndangibona ngizwe msunu lanwa ile kunirespondeni wokanga la kuvula straight ku yo sema changana land responda we mara ndangibona shakile kunirespondeni so leswi ngale kusivuleni mizalwe wa iri bo basuka ba joker yes sisuke si joker if uyakwata masithi uyikwerekwere kusho ukuthi uyikwerekwere kwamampela nina Matsonga yaseLimpopo ni sensitive. Why are you too much sensitive? Madara, I want to tell you something so that you can understand. When ngizwe nilawundi ngisele ija unditwa lokunvulavula nawe because man loko nonvulavula Zulu and fluent ngopfu isiZulu mara I will try my best ku unditwa because namhlanje ngomazulu mngome tinhloko loko munhu avulavula tin'wana language mira munhu kahle se lalela ngikubyele kahle ngifuna ku ri untwe kahle mangikubyela leswi into leswi funa untwe kahle leswi into mangikubyela hayi ukuthi thina machangani sensitive no inkinga yokuthi wena ezilizula wena mzula you don't know the difference between a foreigner no Tsonga wase South Africa. There are Changan people from Mozambique. Kuna Machangan South Africa. There are Changan people from Mozambique who are in South Africa illegally so. There are Changan people who are in South Africa who are legal. There are a lot of people who will say kanti nina nini ni Amatsonga or na Mashangan. Guys, not all Tsonga people are Shangan, but all Shangan people are Tsonga. Do you understand? Shangan, kumbe Shangan people, it's like the music, kuna hip hop, and then kuna trap music. Trap music is a sub-genre of hip hop as a whole. Rap is also a sub-genre of hip hop as a whole. Do you understand? So here we will say Tsonga is hip hop as a whole, and then Shangan is trap music. Do you understand? So ngwe mazulu ngwe nginga ngwe problem ya ngwe likulu iku loko mukuma kwerekwere kumbe Shangan leli njani you are referring to makwerekwere yaku matayile handle, right? but you are also telling us South Africa and what's part you can't tell the difference between someone who comes from Mozambique and someone who was born here in South Africa. You don't know how to tell the difference. So how will I know my people are safe while where you make jokes of those kind of things? And then where you have influence and then you know your people, they are crazy. There are a lot of my people who were killed in xenophobia because your people did not know South African, Mozambique, Nigeria, because to you, wonke umuntu ophuma ngaphandle ishangana ikwerekwere. So me, because I want to save my people and I want to make sure my people when they're here in South Africa they are safe. That's why I stand up and say you need to stop calling us makwerekwere and call, because now we can never call you makwerekwere. We will never call you Makwerekwere. Even though we know Kunangwa Zulu, KwaZulu Natal is not originally yours. You come from Congo, somewhere that side, Ghana, somewhere that side. Do you understand? But we'll never use that against you. We'll call you Zulu people. Call us stronger people. Do not call us Makwerekwere. Do not joke about those kind of things because it's a serious matter. And as someone like you who has influence, when you say that, your people, they don't know where you're joking. Now, when they meet my people in the streets, to them, xenophobia, we are the first people to be attacked. Do you understand? So now we want you to take out that vocabulary out of your mouth and stop calling us makwerekwere. And McG nowhere, because I see you are working for McG at McG's network. McG, I don't know what kind of I know you like controversy, but you are right now you have given a platform to someone who is very tribalistic and he does not even care how tribalistic he is, because right now he's saying if you're still catching feelings for men, then fusekan ge hambani nyoni. So why fusekisa and itiraka a public platform. Yakuna ina matsonga machangani ya support. So McG, you must talk to that your lapdog. Kulumana mzana yale ya wele ungaikacha kukwala msa itaita vukula kukwala kabinga what. Talk to your dog. Uyifake inketani, uyifake inketani le nja yakho le. Inja yakho wathi wani ungizomsunu le nja yakho McG, because now you're from Limpopo, you are rich, you do not know the problems people on the ground that they are facing. You understand? So McG, khuluma namzali yawo kokwalani le ungayicatsha kwalani, because siyazi ukuthi ungizomsunu usebenzela wena lapho uthi baba kuwe wena ubaba wakangizomsunu. Sesiyakucela McG ukuthi uyitshele lo mntwana wakho, ungijela lo mntwana wakho ukuthi angasitolobeli thina mashangana, or else it will go left. It will go left. And I see he does not even care. He does not even care. But anyways,
At this point, I am convinced that Ungeso is that kind of a person who will just say things, Njay. He will just say things without thinking through of the side effects of whatever that he is saying, because here he is talking about Limpopo people. Guys, if we as Limpopians don't see this as a red flag, I don't know what we need. Or I don't know. I really don't know, guys. Because it started with Ujacinta. She was dissing people from Limpopo. And now it's Ungizo saying it on a podcast, knowing very well that there are people from Limpopo that will watch that video. And people will be sitting there laughing. What are you laughing at? Like, what are you laughing at, guys? If we are not convinced enough at this point that Zulu people think that Limpopo people are from, like, these are Kwara people, they have to go back home. They think that you are a foreigner. As a Limpopo person, you are a foreigner. You have to go home. Which, hey guys, it's really getting out of hands, Shyam. It's really, really getting out of hands, and it's very sad to see that the fight that they started saying that they're fighting foreigners, it's now directed to South Africans, people that are documented, people that have IDs. The fight is now directed to you as a Limpopo person, as someone from Limpopo. The fight is now directed to you. Recently, we are crying, we are grieving the death of Ntlamulo, a 19-year-old Tsonga young man who was brutally beaten, brutally, taken away. And now we are hearing different stories on social media. We are hearing different stories on social media. And if we as Limpopo people don't see this as a red flag, then I don't know. I really don't know what we need at this point. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?